You told me you gon' ride forever, we gon' die together. You told me you gon' stay with me through storm and weather. You told me you gon' hold it down when I'm not around. And you told me if them niggas holler, you won't make a sound. You told me you gon' ride forever, we gon' die together. You told me.
What's up, Watlow gang? It's your boy Devon.
And it's your girl Jazz or whatever.
And it's
So right now, you guys, we got dressed. We're still in Jacksonville. And today is Monday. We are on our way to a mall, right? What is it called?
Avenues.
Never heard of it. Don't know nothing about it. I guess we're just going there. What is this mall supposed to be like? What is the comparison of? You don't even know.
Oh, I know, man.
No, I'm saying like if you looked it
I
up.
just asked where, and they were just like, y'all should go to Avenues.
Oh, okay. So I guess that's where we're heading to. It is, Devon's clock is wrong, but it says 11:06, so that means it's 12:06. So we ain't eat nothing yet. We're gonna find something to eat probably at the mall. And are we just going there to go? Are we just going there to go, or are you looking for something specific?
I mean, anytime I go in the mall, I'm looking for something. I don't go to walk around.
Oh, I guess. I don't know. I ain't got nothing in mind, but if I see something, you know, I'm gonna grab. Most likely, you know what I'm gonna do? He's looking real dusty. I don't know why he think it looks cute right now. It looks dusty. It would be cute if he had a haircut, but he don't got no edge up. Like, nothing's there.
It is cute.
Oh, okay.
Thank
Mama
you.
said it is cute.
Thank you.
Excuse me, honey. Y'all know she done took over my man, so whatever. But, yeah, so we'll be back when we get there. We got a 23-minute drive, so. Hey, y'all, so we have made it. Come back over here, come back over here, come back it up, 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 back it up. We have made it to the Avenues, y'all. Y'all see the Avenues? It's right there. And hold on, let me see if y'all can see it. Hold on, let me go back over here so y'all can see my favorite store. Can y'all see it? Hold on. Hold on, wait, can y'all see that over there? Do y'all see that? Forever 21. Okay, I'm coming, I'm running. Let me not get hit by a car. We gotta find Mama, what is it called? Like a scooter thingy, because we left her wagon at home, unfortunately. Cartier's a lot, y'all. She needs her wagon or something to sit in, because she's so Cartier. Y'all see my low vase, my lower vase.
All right, now, so Mama is in her cart, and she's off to the races with Team Mom.
Team Mom? Did you just say that?
I said Team.
Oh, Team Mom. Where are we gonna go?
So this is Avenues Mall. Looks like a pretty cool mall. Mall got carpet.
Oh, they got New Balances. Let me see. So now Daddy has taken over, and you know Daddies are usually the crazy drivers. Oh, what's that? Oh, you get to paint and color in there? Oh, that was dope. Oh. Stop it. How much are these? 64. Let me see what they look like on my foot. I don't like them on my foot, kinda. I don't know. 21, or is it? Oh, Forever 21 says this way.
It's eyebrows
Eyebrows and what else?
and eyelashes.
There is no eyelashes.
Like here.
Where? Where are they? Those are the eyeballs.
And there's the nose.
That is the nose. Good job.
And that's the cheeks.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Are we really missing, Mama?
Nothing. Just missing some ears.
Oh, ears. Here.
Mm-hmm.
Here.
Yeah. Cartier is about to do this jumping thingy. She's gonna bounce up and down. This is like her second time doing this, but we're at a different mall. So she's already lit. Hold on, let me change the camera. I mean, turn the camera around so you guys can see. Jump! Good job, baby. Woo! Guys, so I just came out of Rainbow. I don't care what nobody say. I don't care about nothing. I will go to Rainbow for forever and eternity. I just came out of this store. I'm gonna go get 2 things out of this store. This is the $8.99 and I think below store. Cartier and Bay have gotten on this choo-choo train that's in the mall. I'm gonna show y'all because it's too cute. It is like, I see them coming too. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all, there they go. Look. Hi. Hi, baby. Y'all, this thing is going throughout the entire mall. This is too cute. Uh-oh, what happened to the foot? What is the, oh! What? Wait. Do it again. Go. What is that, y'all? Now we are on a, I don't even know. Mama said a 4-wheeler. We are on a, what is this called?
A moped.
Moped.
Hi, Mom.
Looking crazy. It's cold, y'all. Like cold. Hey, lashes. You okay? Look at Mama. And we're at the location of the park. But I'm cold, and he should have dropped me back off to the house.
Get up.
Oh, Stink.
Dust your legs off.
It's okay. Oh.
Let me see. Come.
Stink done fell.
Come.
Oh. No. Listen, ever since Devon had Mama, Devon don't give a fuck about me no more, y'all. He talking about some, why you ain't put these down? Nigga, I don't own this shit. I don't know how this, I don't know. Well, why you ain't tell me before we took off anywhere to put the little pet, look at y'all, the little pet.